I'm Tanuk Sai.
I'm Sai Kushal.
For starting this video,
Happy Independence Day, guys.
Welcome back to our channel, India My Bread Country. Today we are going to talk about the Indian freedom struggle. Yes, let's go into our video.
We are going to tell you that why did British left India? Number 1, non-cooperation. People were not cooperating with the British unfair rules.
Number 2, mutiny. The British Indian Army and police had a huge number of Indians. This British Indian Army resisted to fight against Indian in the World War II.
Number 3, soon after World War II, British was severely weakened. By this, they got to know that they couldn't run India with a weakened army.
Number 4, British realized that they cannot control the communal violence which erupted as soon as the partition. A detailed information about partition is given in the video near the I button. Please press it.
Now I'm going to tell you the most important reason that why did British Army left India. If you're thinking that only because of Gandhiji's Quit India movement or the Satyagraha, which made the British Army left India. No, there's also another main reason.
The freedom fighters who sacrificed lives like Bhagat Singh, till Krantiveera Sangolli Rayanna, Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, Jawaharlal Nehru, like this, many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for Indian independence. Mahatma Gandhi launched Quit India movement in 1942. This movement united many other people from many other parts. One of the movement was Dandi March. This movement was from Gandhiji. Gandhiji's movement started 17 years before Indian independence. But British did not know this movement started with Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Many of the people don't know that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was the president of Indian National Congress in 1938 and his leadership skills was amazing. In other hand, Mahatma Gandhi followed non-violence path where Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was against it. He said that British will not give freedom if you follow non-violence path.
After Netaji was removed in Indian National Congress,
most of them were supporting in Gandhiji's path.
And they got to know that about the Netaji movement and kept him in prison. Subhash Chandra Bose helped Germans to defeat the British army and motivated many Indians.
He made an army called Azad Army. British collected more tax in World War I. But in World War II, they ran out with resources because they looted everything in India. Most of the soldiers in British army were Indians, where Subhash Chandra Bose called them back to fight against British. Approximately 3 lakh soldiers were present in British army.
And he said a slogan that, "Give me blood, I'll give you the freedom," in Delhi at Chalo movement.
British crimes on India are Jallianwala Bagh massacre, the Great Indian Famines where 12 to 29 million people were severely died. Incident that sparkled revolts is the formation of Indian National Congress in 28th December 1885.
Bhagat Singh was hanged on 23rd March of 1931.
The Civil Disobedience Movement means the Dandi March. Azad Hind is the army formed by Subhash Chandra Bose. Like this, there are many movements formed by our freedom fighters, which makes us happy now. Yes. Happy Independence Day everyone. Please like, share and subscribe.